I had a lot of people ask me about paint chips, and you fill them and then you sand them down and you're afraid you're going to go through the clear coat and you can't get the paint chip flush. So I'm going to share with you our little secret that we've used for a very long time, and it works best if you have an extremely sharp straight blade to do it, and we've come up with this technique. You have those paint chips that you fill and you can't get them flush to your existing paint, and you're worried that you will sand through your clear. And with this, if you're concerned about it and how good you may be at it, you can take a piece of tape, clear masking tape, and go over this edge and go over this edge. Cover those two edges up. So all you have showing is this part of the blade right here. Now watch this. We've got a paint chip. We got a paint chip there as well. I'm going to take the blade and basically lay it flat with just a little bit of tilt to it. Let's see if I can do this for you as I'm doing this here. And as I said, if you're worried about scratching, cover these two pieces with a very small piece of tape, because you want to be able to do what I'm going to do right here. Are you ready? Now, of course, your chip is down below that. Now you've just taken off all the excess paint, so you don't have to do a lot of sanding. This is called shaving the chip. We do it all the time here. You can use your X-Acto if you're really, really good at it, but see, the problem is that handle gets in the way. But I found that it's a lot easier for me, my big, fat, clumsy hands, to take the blade, lay it as flat as you can get it. I have it maybe 1/8 of an inch off the back here. That's how flat it is. See that? Let's do this one here that I was messing with earlier. And this panel's curved. Now you've got them down flush.